A business case provides a clear justification for a proposed change or plan, outlining the resources, budget, and steps required for implementation. When well prepared, it not only supports informed decision-making, but can also drive action, align stakeholders, and create a unified vision for future business operations. A strong business case highlights practical solutions to address a problem, issue, or goal, giving decision-makers multiple options to evaluate and choose the best path forward. Understanding the business case subject. Start by clearly identifying the business problem, issue, or goal your case will address. Meet with decision makers to understand the challenges and define the scope. Justify the project based on operational benefits, strategic goals, or a cost-benefit analysis. Brainstorm multiple options to address the business problem by discussing potential solutions with key personnel and management. Evaluating different approaches helps identify the most feasible plan. Collaboration is essential, as stakeholder support is critical for approval and successful implementation. Review the business's mission statement to ensure the proposed business case and solution options align with its goals, values, and strategic direction. This helps confirm that the case supports the organization's overall mission and priorities. Decide who will write the business case, usually one or two people, to ensure a consistent tone and style. The writer should understand the business operations and be open to input from team members and leaders. Creating a strong, persuasive business case. Write a clear problem statement that explains the business issue and the areas it must address. Begin with a concise sentence defining the problem or goal, then get approval from the required stakeholders before moving forward. Create a proposed solution statement that outlines the recommended options and explains how they address the business problem or goal. Describe what the plan will achieve, the resources required, such as budget and staffing, and the methods, research, and stakeholder input used to develop the solution. Define clear timelines and milestones for implementing and completing the project, including best-case and worst-case scenarios. Detail the costs tied to implementation and the potential losses or consequences of not executing the proposed plan. Draft an executive summary that presents the proposed project and explains how it supports the business goal or resolves the identified problem. Highlight the main considerations of the business case, including timelines, projected costs, expected benefits, and the potential impact of not implementing the plan. The executive summary should clearly explain why the proposed plan should be approved and set the stage for the detailed analysis that follows. And organizing and presenting a strong, persuasive business case. Edit your business case to remove unnecessary language and correct grammatical errors. Ensure it is clearly formatted, easy to read, and that each section is clearly labeled. Present your business case to the personnel responsible for implementing it to gather their feedback and ensure the plan is practical. Even if they aren't the decision makers, involving them helps refine the processes, address potential challenges, and increases the likelihood of successful implementation. Present your business case to the final decision makers, beginning with the problem, issue, or goal it addresses. Explain the proposed solution, alternative options, and the steps required for implementation. Consider using visuals, such as a PowerPoint, to support your presentation, and anticipate potential concerns so you can address them proactively during the discussion. By following these steps, you can create a clear, persuasive business case that drives informed decisions and sets your organization on the path to success. Thanks for watching.